In this session, we would focus on which board, CBSE or ICSE, best fits your child. Now, there are numerous things that you have to take into consideration before you consider which board is best for your child. The first and the foremost thing that you should keep in mind is the proximity to your house as one of the important characteristics, because the student have a huge amount of time that they waste commuting from one place to another, and therefore if the school is in proximity, that would have additional time for the students. It could be either for the extracurricular activities that they want to pursue or for their academics whatsoever. Now, one very important thing is, when you are deciding which board, you have to understand what are your thought processes and how do you actually want to raise your child. CBSE has a well-defined curriculum which is usually considered with lower difficulty. With new education policy, the difficulty level has been further reduced. So if you really want your child to have conceptual understanding, good depth on good knowledge, then we would recommend that ICSE would be a better choice in that regards. Again, there are numerous parents who have migrated from other nations and they are now enrolling their children into academics in India. So in that case, CBSE would be a difficult task, specifically if you are into a transferable job. You might find a concept of third language which would be difficult for the students to change every off and on if they switch between the states. So there could be regional languages which are applicable in different regions. So that benefit you do get with ICSE or IGCSE, where one international language, for example French, could be taken as an international language, or you could have a common language that could be taken, and this would be applicable for all the schools that you want to switch across the cities. Again, if we talk about the number of schools, CBSE has huge number of schools. The number of schools with ICSE are very, very few. If we talk about the focus on English, of course, ICSE has a very good focus on English and a good depth, because you have literature which has been taught in great detail with ICSE, and that's not the case with CBSE. If we focus on the viewpoint of STEM, which is the science maths, we have the curriculum for NEET and JEE which is aligned to CBSE, but again I would say that it does say that the syllabus is in alignment with CBSE. The depth of the questions which are asked within the recent few years we have seen has been extremely high. So that is again a question. You can be in CBSE, but you would have to go into depth beyond NCERTs. The next thing is the flexibilities in the subject. CBSE do not offer a wide variety of subjects. Even if there are vocational and other courses which are offered in CBSE, all the schools do not offer those courses. So that flexibility you can see with higher proportion in ICSE. So ICSE does have better inclination for that flexibility and has more syllabus depth. So if we talk about the core subjects are same in both the cases. The stream electives are more. You have more choice with ICSE, and even for the vocational, the choice with ICSE is much higher. If we talk about the number of the schools, the CBSE schools are very, very high as compared to ICSE. ICSE has very few schools, but CBSE on the other hand are more affordable and have less cost structure in comparison to ICSE schools. There can be exceptions, but for your child, what would be the best fit? How would you determine which school you should go for, which board you should opt for? So first of all, you must think into two directions. If you are talking about Indian competitive exams, which is NEET, JEE, CUET, PG, in that case, the syllabus is highly inclined with NCERT, so you should definitely prefer CBSE at that point. For the early formative years, ICSE do provides a lot of co-curricular activities, so in that case you can opt for ICSE. But again, if you are planning for international studies, ICSE has more focus on English on higher education, and therefore that would be beneficial for your international competitive examinations, and therefore ICSE would be a preference in that case. Now, this is for the academic goal, whether you want to pursue the courses in India or internationally. The next is the learning style. What do you prefer? Now, CBSE has more direct curriculum, rote-based learning with clear, well-defined syllabus and well-defined kind of questions that would be asked. So, if the student cannot absorb the concept, comprehend a completely new problem at a go, in that case, CBSE would be a good fit because it is less exhaustive and the curriculum is more or less direct. However, ICSE on the other hand is analytical, it is project based, it has greater in-depth questions, and therefore it well aligns with the practical learning and experiential learning. So ICSE has or provides more in-depth understanding, and of course the syllabus load for the students for ICSE would be much higher as compared to CBSE. So those are some of the differences that you must keep in mind. For the early years, proximity is of course one of the major things that you must consider for the foundational years till class 5, but later on, if you want to have a clear vision about your future of the child, you should actually choose between the two boards very carefully, because for ICSE you have more focus on international curriculum, and that international curriculum like world history, world geography, for social studies you would have a higher focus till class 10th. You do have an option to choose a stream starting from class 9th, either science or commerce in ICSE. However, CBSE offers that option only after class 10. So only in 11th and 12th you do have the option to choose the streams. So those are some of the major differences that you must keep in mind. Of course, we'll be covering many other sessions which are useful for you, specifically if you are targeting for admission seasons. So stay tuned. In case you have any questions, feel free to connect back on the number below. Thanks for joining in.